This drill is machine gun pound. So, magandang drill to, lalo na kung gusto nyo maging tight yung handles. This drill is high to low finger taps. So, fingertips lang ang gagamitin ninyo habang nag-finger taps kayo. So, you have to be high, then low. This drill is wrap around figure of 8. So, in drill na to, dapat mga ka-bowlers, mabilis yung dribble nyo at the same time, low yung dribble ninyo. So, you just have to do wrap around, then figure of 8. So, kailangan speed dribble to. This drill is wrap around leg. So, kailangan nyo i-bend yung knees nyo and then you have to do wrap around. So, kailangan mabilis tong wrap around nyo. This drill is throw and catch between the legs. So, kailangan mga ka-bowlers, malakas dapat yung pag-throw ninyo sa bola. And then, kung hindi nyo naman kaya ng malakas, mabagal muna. And eventually, kaya nyo ng mas mabilis at mas malakas. So, that's how it works. So, mabagal tapos mabilis. Hindi pwedeng mabilis ka agad. This drill is behind the back constant. So, kung saan behind the back kayo ng sunod-sunod at the same time, you have to stay low and then mabilis dapat yung behind the back ninyo. This drill is stationary knee dribble. So, magdi-dribble kayo ng knee level at the same time, kailangan full speed and full force ng dribble na to. This drill is crossover constant, meaning ng constant, kailangan tuloy-tuloy siya. No? So, crossover lang and then tight yung crossovers ninyo. This drill is back down dribble. So, mag-move ka ng pa-side and then yung arm bars mo dapat nakataas para protektahan yung bola. And then you have to dribble while moving ng pa-side. This drill is zigzag one dribble crossover. So, moving rin to. So, magde-dribble ka ng pa-side na one dribble and then crossover. No? Pa-zigzag na siya dapat. This drill is zigzag one dribble between the legs. So, magdi-dribble ka ng pa-zigzag and then one dribble then between the legs. So, maganda to kasi para ma-improve nyo yung pagdadala nyo ng bola while moving. So, this drill is zigzag one dribble behind the back. So, yung drill na to, maggagalaw ka ng pa-side to side and then magbe-behind the back ka. This drill is in and out figure of B dribble. So, combination dribble to ng in and out then figure of B.